there are so many opportunities out there. But as a young person trying to enter the social impact space or trying to build a career in the social impact space, I think it becomes very, very critical. And now, possibly over the last 10 months, speaking to a lot of organizations, we are realizing that the need is definitely possibly even stronger because of the kind of effect that the last 10 months have had in terms of wiping out, I think, progress to a lot of extent on a lot of things that, one might have achieved to till the pre-COVID era. So I think taking from where Madhukar talked about really getting close to the ground, I think that is a very, very critical part for a young person entering this space to really have that intent, get close enough to the ground in whatever way possible, right? And we've now seen there are so many volunteering opportunities, internship opportunities, fellowships. I mean, every day you kind of see new ones coming out there, which kind of just really is opening up the ball, the playing field to multiple kinds of ways you can engage. So I think really figuring out as a young person what this social impact, like if you imagine it as a wall, for example, and a wall is made of like multiple bricks, right? And you have to figure out for yourself where in that wall, which brick do you want to kind of place yourself as. So each brick is as important. But when you're a young person, say in the field of education, do you want to be working directly with the children and hence teaching where you can kind of see some kind of impact happening every day? Do you want to work in content and curriculum where you might be a step removed, maybe from actually being in the classroom and working with a young person? Do you want to be in research and advocacy, which is also a space which is important and is growing, where you are possibly very much further removed from maybe the day-to-day kind of interaction, which is very often what is seen as the immediate thing that comes to mind is working with young people or working with children. But even within that space, there's so much. And now with EdTech coming up, are you a programmer? Are you a software person? Is that where your passion and your excitement lies? So I think really being able to figure out for yourself, what is that space where you want to kind of position yourself in that larger wall or larger building is very, very essential, I think, early on. And that you can only do by exploring various options, which is where the volunteering, talking to people who are doing work in different kinds of spaces within the sector. And one thing definitely is critical, no matter where you kind of end up, to have a strong foundation by actually being as close to the ground as possible. Because then wherever you find yourself, having a sense of that reality, ground realities, having your feet kind of planted there, no matter where you kind of go and build your career, I think becomes very, very critical. So I think that is definitely one way of, exploring the options that might be there. I think second thing that we are really seeing a lot and the trend changing, I think the social space, education space has always been traditionally thought of as being, if you have the passion and the intent, that's all you need to kind of make a dent. And of course, that's very, very critical. I think more so in the space that we are all in. But I think now more and more we are seeing organizations, employers really looking for the hard, tangible skills as well. So I think for a young person, it's becoming very critical to go out and get that training. Some of it might be hands-on when you're actually working in the space and you learn a lot there, but also really having some kind of a backing in terms of, specialized learning, specialized education, trying to find that niche and then really going deep into that. So it has to be a balance of your so-called soft skills, like your intent and your passion, but also really then being able to back that up with the very core competencies and harder skills that you need.